Welcome to Bike Update, your source for the latest two-wheeled machines. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650, a legendary dual sport that refuses to quit. Engine and performance. The 2026 KLR 650 sticks with its tried-and-true 652 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, now refined for better fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response. With updated ECU mapping and improved low-end torque, it's perfect for long-distance travel and off-road excursions alike. Comfort and ride quality. Kawasaki has focused heavily on rider comfort this year. The seat has been redesigned for better cushioning, while suspension tweaks make it more forgiving on rough terrain. A larger windscreen and vibration-reducing handlebar mounts add to its touring-friendly nature. Technology and features. This model now comes with a USB-C charging port, updated LCD instrumentation, and standard ABS across all trims. The Adventure version offers factory-fitted panniers, crash guards, and auxiliary lighting, making it ready for serious overland journeys. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 remains an unbeatable value for riders seeking reliability, versatility, and rugged adventure potential, all at a price that undercuts most rivals in the dual sport segment.